lot of us, pretty much every artist has experienced, which is maybe feeling judged or simply worrying about feeling judged by an accountant. And I just wanted to ask, like, how does this book address that? Like, how is it different from that kind of familiar experience? Obviously, the reason that a lot of us worry about feeling judged is that, you know, we'll have a lot of crazy line items on our expense list that might be like, pizza or,
Mhm.
you know, bubble gum or some really rarefied material that doesn't look like a material at all. Like I bought like 100 hair strands from a duck or whatever for my
Totally, right.
like at a regular accountant is going to be like what is this, right? And a lot of times when your pizza might be like this was the payment that I could afford to
Mhm,
give the people who are helping me launch this exhibition, and having to explain that feels like you might be wasting money, but
mhm.
actually that's the best way to reward these super shoestring budgets. And so I I just wondered how the book addresses these really human concerns
Yeah,
that end up as like line items.
totally. I mean, when I first sat down as a professional artist and went to my dad's accountant, and I told this story in the book, but I sat down with him and like the first words out of his mouth, I had all these hopes, right? Because I knew, oh, this feels a little complicated. I'm starting to realize that I maybe need some like bookkeeping or I don't know how I'm going to do retirement when I'm on my own. Like, how does this stuff work? Right. And the first words out of his mouth are, so when are you going to get a real job? And
Oh,
I know. And I hope nobody listening has ever experienced that degree of disrespect in an accounting setting, but I bet you have. I bet you have experienced it or you have a friend who had. And even if you haven't, you maybe don't want to talk to an accountant cuz you're fearful you're going to experience that. And it's so awful to be trying to get help, expensive help from somebody who just doesn't even respect what you do as legitimate. So really the most important thing to me in this book, I like had it in Sharpie next to me as I was reading the whole time. I mean, as I was writing the book, is like, there is no judgment here. I know you're not coming to this with an extensive tax education. We're starting on the ground floor and you are welcome here. And art is, I think you can feel, Patty, and please confirm if this is true, but like it's coming from a place of like, your work is important. Your work is so important that I want you to protect it, and, I want you to have the money to really power it in the way it deserves, because I've felt that judgment, and it was so hampering, and it actually put a chip on my shoulder for years that was really hard to work out of.